Hello friends, in this video let us learn how to derive formula for kinetic energy. Though it is very simple, it will be very interesting to know how to derive that formula, how that formula came. Suppose a block is resting on this horizontal plane, and if we apply some force on this block F, and because of this force the block has moved for one place to another. This is new location, and this displacement is say ds. Now we can write work is equal to dw is equal to force into displacement. As we know, force is equal to mass into acceleration, into ds. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity with respect to time, m into dv by dt into ds. If I write these two things together, ds by dt, what is it? It is rate of change of displacement with respect to time. It is velocity. Therefore, I can write mv dv. If we integrate this, the starting velocity v is equal to 0, the final velocity v is equal to v. Integrating this function from limits 0 to v. As mass is constant, we can take outside the integration. Integration of v is v square by 2. This is w, and this is also equal to kinetic energy. Therefore, kinetic energy Ke is equal to half mv square. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.